Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Up. Stock reference number 4546. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a CHYB, 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an NZD 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CHYB, 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims, left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right guard in good condition, and a 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated control, single stack CD player, Garmin sat nav, factory, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.